Pinche Penny, we could barely. They didn't fucking cut it. RIP Penny. So guys, for today's video content of the day is we're gonna be installing my old steering wheel that came off my E46 with the NRG setup for the 350Z. So first things first, more than important, before doing anything touching your steering wheel and your airbag, you don't want to fuck yourself up or screw yourself or knock yourself out. Disconnect your battery. I saw the battery had like a chicanada, so we'll get started from there and see what happens. All right guys, so most importantly, taking off your airbag, you guys have two bolts, the bolt on the sides. All right, I know you guys are gonna be using a C30, right?
Safety torques.
Oh, safety torque. So I don't really mess with electricals. My guy, my go-to, so he'll be guiding us today. Okay, I don't want to blow my shit up or burn my car.
One on this side.
Oh shit! And that was it.
Airbags out. Got two clips to take out. Pry up the safety tabs up. Up comes the airbag. Throw it away so it doesn't blow up.
We'll drop Celestino's Instagram down below. Be like me. Don't burn your car. Don't do anything stupid. Leave it to the professionals. I did hire a professional when it came to doing this, so I don't potentially fuck it up or do it wrong. So Celestino was saying that you do need a 19mm to unlock the bolt. It is one easy bolt, so hopefully it should pry off pretty easy. We're gonna see right now. Oh, that was it. So you guys gotta do some little elbow grease, and pop goes the weasel.
Disconnect it in the back.
So there's a connector in the bag. Just be careful not for it not to like yank off. You might want to reuse the steering wheel later in the future. You want to swap it out.
That's for your horn, and then just slide your airbag plugs to the bottom. Slide them out to the cooks. Airbag released.
Damn, nice. So this is the energy hub. We got a little sticker. Cool, little sticker, cool. Got a little crazy guy. So, all right, chanclas. Gotta rock it in style. Anyways, so let's go from here.
Where's the little white dot right here? It goes top.
So there's a dot that'll got you. It has to go on the top. You put all your goodies into the inserts. So what Celestino did is make sure everything is nice and snug, and then you just press it in.
When you put it in, you can hear it snap all the way in, and then just put your bolt back on, your 19mm. Tighten everything up. Make sure your dot is facing straight up on your steering wheel, so everything's sort of aligned. Then tighten up your 19mm. Should be good to go.
Nice. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Oh shit, it flew away. Alright. There's the wheel. My little setup. Gold, because gold is for pimping.
These off.
I'll pop it out. I'll pop one. There you go. Hey. So if you guys ever installed these before, just to make sure your steering wheel is sitting straight, kind of guide yourself for where it's sitting at on your wheel already, and then just guide it from there. Should be basically a direct fit.
Tuck everything in.
Can you activate the horn too? I mean, I don't even know if the horn works, but...
No, these are your airbags. The plug underneath, you need an adapter so you could plug these for your horn.
Okay, so no horn, no race car, no problem. Race car problems? Whoa. Alright. So, before he does a 5 tightening, he's gonna make sure everything is nice and snug. like I say. So let's see, I kind of sits down on. Ooh, that looks like a race car, pimpin' race car. Hell yeah. Also, man, this steering wheel's freaking heavy. Fishy Lego block. I mean, it does have it does have the airbag and everything, and then it's pretty jacked up. But it does feel a lot lighter and feels more rigid. So we're gonna go for a drive, see how it feels. So guys, this is the end finish, how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty sick. I mean, setup is pretty badass. So guys, this is the end of the install. It was actually pretty simple because a professional did it. If it would have been me, I would have probably been here for like at least 7 hours. So yeah, later guys.